to be, what is it? To be our master? What does it say? You read it? What is it?
How much is it for the Lord that you lift you up?
Wonderful. Humble yourself before God, and He will, in due time, lift you up. And I'm sure those of you who are now leaders in the schools, presidents, you just didn't know that you were going to be chosen. But because people have seen humility, they have seen humility and they said, this one is our leader. Moses was also a very humble person, and he was the leader of Israel. He led them for 40 years. And so I want to thank you very much. I want to say I have something to tell the cabinet secretary and the principal secretary about this. There's a lot that even our politicians in parliament can learn about it. I wish we were implementing it so that we can show it. I believe the one of the national one will be seen, hopefully that the press will cover it live so that people can see that this is the kind of leadership that we need. And children, let us speak out. You know, and I see the theme of the African child of 16 is what does it say about what counts? I think the theme is what? It's something about the child. Making children count, yeah? Making children count. That is what the theme is, making children count. So you need to speak out to these leaders. If you see people, doing something up there and they're not doing it the right way, find a way of speaking out and telling the leaders, this is not how to do it. In a very humble way. And we shall all come to equilibrium to the same level one day. So I want to thank you so much. I have to do a rush for another meeting. But I want to congratulate the President, Madam Jenga, and the Deputy President, Fatima. I want to congratulate you so much, and I want to wish you all the best.